I am Dr. Patrick DUNPHY, Assistant Principal here at Nassau BOCES GC Tech. And like our students and staff here, I am just really excited each day to come and join in the passions of our students that they have here for each of our 6 CTE programs. And we are just thrilled by the successes and the achievements that they have shown day in and day out.
When you walk into a classroom at GC Tech, there is an extraordinary atmosphere of motivation where every student is engaged in their learning. The best part of working here is having the opportunity to walk into any classroom and seeing students truly engaged in the material that they're learning, and teachers being able to share their real life experiences working in the industry.
It feels very reassuring that I could potentially get the job I want in the field that I really want to do.
I do feel like I am getting a head start into my career, not only professionally, but in my education. A lot of the skills that I'm learning now, I would need to learn eventually anyway, so having this experience allows me to be confident in what I'm doing, not only now, but later on in life.
I know that the work that they showed me and the work that they teach me is from their experience. So I know that they've worked with all of this before, they've done all this work, and seeing their work sort of helps me know that this is something that I want to do later on. And it makes me sure that I want to pursue a career in the field.
A major focus for us here is to support the social emotional learning of each child here. We have introduced very rich building-wide social emotional initiatives that includes the use of a mindful space in the building, a mindfulness program that exists on a weekly basis, checking in with the GC Tech community as a whole each week.
Hi, my name is TAMAR EHRENFELD. I'm a social worker here at GC Tech. I'm standing in the Zen Den, which is our mindful space. It's a space for students to come. They just need a place to be alone, a place to think, a place to focus. It's fully equipped with comfy chairs, plush rugs, coloring. It's supervised by our counseling staff, and it's a really, really great place for them to come when they need some privacy. Additionally, I'm the advisor for the GSA Club, where we meet here in the Zen Den when we can, and we meet to discuss issues going on at GC Tech and how to make GC Tech more inclusive. My favorite part here at GC Tech are the students. It's a very small school, it's a very warm school, and of course our favorite friend, our furry friend Tucker, who always brings a smile to everybody's faces.
I like sharing in the affinity that students have for the interest they have, for their passion in this course that they've chosen to spend half of their day with each day with us. It's an investment that they're making in us, and we want to reciprocate in a way that's meaningful and puts them on a trajectory to be successful once they leave here.
Here at GC Tech, we're focused on giving students an opportunity to get a hands-on approach in a career, field, or an industry that interests them. The main goal of everyone here at GC Tech is to allow students to find their passion in life.
In BOCES, we would prepare you for your career, for your life's work, but you get a chance to try it on. You're going to know before you leave high school whether you like to do this or not.
We do a lot of forensics, so there's a lot of hands-on. We'll do a crime scene, they'll collect the evidence from the crime scene, then they'll take that evidence, analyze it. After they analyze it, whatever results they get, we'll do a mock trial with it and they'll present it in court.
A typical day in here, we'll come in, we'll discuss some code problems that we have to face, we'll look it up in the book. I'll give the guys some real-world situations they might encounter out in the field, and then we try to replicate it here in the shop, where we'll be using different types of cables and wiring methods, and I mean, there's a lot of math that goes into it, and you know, just all the different materials they'll see out on the job, and it gives them a leg up on day one, just knowing what they're up against.
I think GC Tech is a really good opportunity to decide what you want to do when you get older. I'm currently in credit course with Mercy, and going here, just doing my daily activity of going to high school, I get 3 credits per year, which will add up to a total of 6 credits that I can take over to college and use those to fulfill my credits for everything.
We do a variety of skills here. We do bring in live work as well as our static cars that we have. We also have a work-based learning program here. Currently, one of our seniors is working for Haberstadt BMW. He will come in for 3 days here, and 2 days he goes to the BMW dealership, and he learns his craft as well. Upon graduation, they're going to take him full-time.
I believe hands-on learning is a better technique for me because I'm more of a visual person. When it comes to BOCES, I'm able to do a hands-on work activity that's something I'm interested in.
Hands-on learning helps a lot because we know that it's one thing to learn the skill and know the information, but it's another thing to actually be good with your hands and know how to work on the cars.
The hands-on learning benefited me in many ways because it's just I learned better and faster that way. I think in many ways it's just better than in a classroom.
My favorite part about GC Tech is getting to come here every day and practice what I love, and it will help me in my career in the future.